welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine. In today's video we are getting some extreme motivation happening over 3 days of cleaning. In today's video I'm trying to just pick up, organize, and kind of declutter in a little bit in my home this week, and that's what I wanted to do over these 3 days. It has been a mess lately. My kids like to take everything out of my cleaning closet. All of their toys get dumped upstairs. However, the downstairs is actually not that bad because I've been keeping up on it pretty regularly to say the least, which is a shocker for me because I do work. So it can get a little bit overbearing sometimes to try to get to everything, but it wasn't that bad today. And this is normally not what my house looks like. There's normally toys everywhere. But I appreciate you guys clicking on today's video, and I hope that you guys will stay until the end, as well as hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here on my YouTube channel. And my channel is all about cleaning, decorating, DIY projects, overall homemaking, while having a super busy schedule. And again, I appreciate you guys so much, and let's just jump into this video. I'm just going around and picking up all of the kids' toys that are on the floor here and there. This is not bad. My kids normally play upstairs now or out in the backyard. Those are the two places that are always a mess because that's where their toys are. Before, I used to have a bin of toys down in the living room, but my youngest would just dump the toys and I had to pick it up 3 or 4 times a day, and I got tired of doing that. And I did do a decluttering series, so I got rid of a lot of junk in our house, and that has helped so much with maintaining my home and really just being able to do a quick clean in these areas and pick up a few toys. The upstairs, on the other hand, is still a mess. Don't get me wrong, you haven't seen that yet, but this was at least picked up.
Oh, you miss my touching, you do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
This is probably the cleanest my kitchen has been when I started filming. This is not bad at all. I just had to get some dishes done and just wipe down the counters because I felt like that's what the house needed. And then I'm just tackling other areas in my home. Like I said, I do rotate where I clean in my home throughout the day because of my working schedule, and I just like to stay on top of things. So I do rotate bathrooms, I do rotate bedrooms for the kids' toys and the playroom, and then even my own room. But one thing I always like to do in my own room is make my bed in the morning. I've been doing it again, and I just feel so much more productive, especially since my office is in there, and it just helps so much.
I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
jalapeno poppers on this tray, and so it burnt. The cheese did pretty badly. They were not my favorite because I should have just went in and got the produce instead of ordering for pickup. That is one thing I'm very picky on, is my produce, and the jalapenos were very small. But it stuck to the tray and I was trying to get it off and it just was not working. So I'm going to soak it with some Dawn Power Wash and finish up the kitchen first. And all I'm doing is just taking some of my Jaws multi-cleaner, multi-surface cleaner. It smells like roses. It's one of my favorites and it's non-toxic. I just love this product, but I'm going to take it and just clean off my counters really quick.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
In my next video, we will actually be doing my pantry. It was a mess. It was so bad. I can't even begin to explain how out of control the pantry got, especially because I did a grocery order. So that will be in next week's video, or not next week, but later this week's video. And I also plan to clean out my fridge in today's video, just kind of get it all cleaned out because it was just overflowing with junk.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
I'm just saving the Easter candy that can be salvageable, not the Peeps, not the eggs that have been open, but just the closed packaging, single packet candies. And then I'm going to throw away the rest because it was just bothering me that it was sitting up there and it's way past Easter by now. But it needed cleaned off and I got through all that candy.
Just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire.
The reality of my life is that I always have laundry to do. I'm a mom of 3 and I also have a husband who works all the time. So I am literally doing laundry every day. It is never ending. And unfortunately, I made a huge mistake and there was a pen in my husband's uniform in one of my most recent loads, not in this load, but in a most recent load. And you guys will be seeing me in another video tackling on how to clean your dryer once a pen explodes. And I'm also trying to salvage at least 5 of the clothes that happened. I didn't even check to see if my husband's uniform, if I could salvage it. I'll have to see if he already threw it away or not. But I hate when that happens, when I miss something in his uniform and it bursts every single time. But we all know how laundry is in every household. You have to do it. So I like to turn on some music and I like to do at least 1 load a day because it does help me maintain my home.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love.
One thing you will notice is that all of these clothes are just sitting on my vanity in the closet because I have a terrible habit of folding all of the laundry and putting away the other things. But the things that need to get hung, I just move to the closet and throw right here. So I had a stack high full of clothes that I needed to fold and hang.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
So we are going to be cleaning out and organizing the fridge. I hate filming in here because it is a half fridge, and I feel because of the lights, it makes things darker when I'm filming. I'm gonna try my best for you guys. You always know I try my best to get these camera settings on point for you guys, but I make no promises. But you can just see it is a disaster. I do plan to get groceries here soon, so I just wanted to clean it out before we add more to it. And I definitely need to go through some of this stuff. It's not too bad, like on the door, because I just went through it not too long ago, like all the sauces. But it just needs wiped out. And underneath here, I don't know if you can tell, one of the boxes got stuck because watermelon juice leaked. And yeah, so we gotta clean this out. And this side needs a new light bulb. I'm literally trying to do that. Same with my microwave. All need new light bulbs. But you can just tell it's a disaster. So I wanted to kind of quickly pick up as best I can. I wish I had a double fridge, like the fridge on top and the freezer on the bottom, but we don't. We're gonna keep this until we move again because I'm gonna sell the house and leave it here. So I don't want to buy a whole new fridge that we have to take with us or the new owners would want in the contract. But sorry, off on my soapbox. We are going to take this stuff out in sections so that it doesn't go bad, clean the shelves, and move on out of here.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, something about you. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it bends, still on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
These Fairlife chocolate protein shakes are absolutely one of my favorite protein shakes, and I don't drink milk or dairy products really. I do like yogurt, well, Greek yogurt, and I do like cheese, but I bloat very badly from these kinds of things. So I was shocked that I could drink these chocolate milks, and they are so good. Oh, I love them, and they're so easy and on the go, and they're full of protein. So it's a win-win. As you can tell, the bottom of the fridge always gets the dirtiest. I have to move these bins out so I can clean underneath them. And honestly, the best way that I've found to clean my fridge is just using Dawn Power Wash and a microfiber towel. It works great. It's quick and easy for me, and I feel like it takes way less time than trying to use hot soapy water and then wipe it all down. I don't know. I just like this method. It's a lot easier.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your
now that I'm finished in the fridge, I really just wanted to come upstairs into my 4-year-old's room and clean up all of these toys. I recently just moved all of the toys out of my son's room. I think it was at least 2 videos ago because he just kept dumping them because he didn't want to go to sleep. So I moved him out to try to hinder that a little bit more, but you can see it didn't work. He just comes in here and dumps them in my son's room, and my 4-year-old has a little bit of autism and has OCD, so this is horrible for him. He freaks out and comes down and is like, Caden's making a mess in my room, and will start crying. So I really think I'm going to end up moving all of these toys to the playroom in a little bit. I don't know yet. We're leaving them here for now, but I wanted to take all of the bedding off and get this room picked up.
Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this.
I have a question for you guys, and I'd love for you to answer down below in my comments. I love hearing from you guys. But do you like the kids' rooms being at the end of my videos, or would you rather them be in the beginning or the middle, or just does not matter? I'm trying to figure out how to make it an even of both. I know a lot of people love watching the main areas because that's a lot of the struggle that everyone has picking up, especially if you have older kids, they can clean their own rooms. But I just want to know, like, what are your guys' thoughts? Do you like them at the end of the video in case you don't have kids and you don't want to watch the toys getting picked up? Or do you like them throughout? I don't know. Just let me know.
This way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer.
I'm just finishing up with all of these clothes. I needed to put them away in both my son's rooms because we all know I fold laundry and just let it sit in the hamper in the hallway. That is life. But I appreciate you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys got tons of extreme motivation, over 3 days of cleaning in today's video. And yes, this is realistic for me. Sometimes I get one thing done, sometimes I don't get anything done, and sometimes I get 3 or 4 rooms done. It just depends on how much motivation I have for that day, how much work I have to do, how much college work I have to do, if my kids are being little menaces or they're actually behaving and playing with each other fine. It just all depends. And I know as parents, we all understand how hard that can be. But again, if you are new here, I really hope that you will hit that big red subscribe button below, as well as the alert bell. I do upload 1 to 2 times a week, and my channel is all about cleaning, DIYs, organizing, decluttering, really overall homemaking for a busy mama who works. So I'd appreciate it if you guys would stick around, because you guys just are amazing every single day that you choose to get up and just do anything. We are truly blessed to be on this earth, and I am so proud of each and every one of you. And I will see you guys back in my next video.